Ano na, ano na sa kanan?
Ano sayaw yan?
Sayaw nila. Yan po yung sayaw ng nangasinang bulate.
Sabi na.
Joke lang po. Dragonfly dance po yan.
Kuya, nakuloko. Ano, di ba naman pala mo, no?
Okay.
For hunting dance, and they believe monkeys are the great hunter in the wild. There's no other animals to match their skills in terms of hunting and foraging. Sayaw na mo ba, by Kuya? Kuya Jeffy, aka Piolo. Ready your cameras po.
Tandaan na sa pagtingala. Makaiba ang makita.
Alright, wala po
Sabi ng bumbero.
Okay, for the final dance, this is what we call the war dance of Sayaw na Binabayani, to be performed by Abner and Justoni. Okay, during the olden times, whenever misunderstanding arises between tribes, they would normally send their warriors into fighting. But before sending them into actual battlefield, they would first perform this simple dance to ask for guidance from their god called Apo na Walyari to lead them into a victorious fight or somehow resolve the problem into peaceful manner. Kaya pala ikaw nagsalita, may just Tony dyan, ha? Walang pakalaman po natin sila before tayo malis dito. Okay, everybody,